It's so interesting how consistency requires a certain level of confidence. Like the difference between entrepreneurs who make it 10 years plus and entrepreneurs who don't, entrepreneurs who make it to the next tax bracket, those who don't, entrepreneurs who make it through the difficult or longer seasons between those who don't, is literally the level of confidence they have in their offers. Like when you know that your audience base and your clients love your offers, that gives you the confidence you need to continue serving the audience base that does not yet have your solution. That's where you're comfortable with sending multiple emails per day. That's where you're comfortable with showing up on social media in every season. That's where you see people who have built personal brands and they're so consistent, and then you comment and you're like, how are they so consistent? And it's like, it's that confidence. When you know the outcomes your clients are getting, when you know how you transformed people's lives, whether you're in finance, you're in B2B, you're in education, you're in technology, you're some kind of course creator, whatever it is, that confidence is the key, not only to you showing up and being confident in your own sales, but also for when you're investing in your marketing and investing in your message. Because if your message is too humble, it's not going to convert. Humble messaging doesn't convert. Save humility for spirituality. Save humility for just talking with people about other stuff. But when it comes to business, if you're not confident in your offer, I'm not confident in your offer. If you're not confident in your solution, your audience isn't comfortable in your solution. If you get on the phone and you're like, I guess, maybe I could help, or if your email copy is like, we could possibly help you, or just these passive things, then your copy and your message is not going to go forth the way you want. And so you have a few options with this knowledge that you have now. You can either perfect your client outcomes and go back to the drawing board and see how you can have better outcomes, or you can induce confidence into your marketing message and get over this mental block of thinking that you have to be passive with your messaging. Copywriting isn't like a passive thing. Sales isn't passive. Business is 100% not passive, but you have to have that confidence. Without the confidence, then you're just going to keep sitting here scrolling on Instagram, wondering how to get sales in these longer buyer cycles when other entrepreneurs are out here showing up through confidence and consistency. Let me know what you think about this. Share this with the entrepreneur who needs to hear it. And why not check out @TiffyGWrites? Go ahead, follow me, go to my profile, because I have some free resources. They're pretty incredible. They're beyond incredible, honestly. Because I recently created a free ebook called How to 9X Your Revenue with Email Marketing in 2024. It's free. Go ahead and check it out in the link in my bio. Talk soon.